So I've decided that I'm gonna make a quick attempt this evening to transform him into his battle station mode. There will probably be a handful of edits here and some time lapses, because a lot of it is redundant and some of it's just me transforming parts of him back into his, partially into his robot mode. So I don't need to go over any of that. First I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of the Dr. Wu figures. Push them down, push them up. What's going on here? Get in there. There we go. This can collapse down. That little door inside can close. You can go back in. Okay, let's push this building down. Need that for battle station mode. Now, these clips in the back that I'm having problems with on this side, they might give me problems for his battle station mode as well. But we'll see. And also when he fell on me the other day, one of my towers here at the end of it broke. So these buildings that collapsed down, and again my spire here broke off, they untab. There's two tabs up here and two slots, and there's a little tab here that goes into a slot there, connects that like that. This arm I'm going to need, bear with me, I'm going to need a tool of some kind. I'm going to need a tool of some type, preferably my little flathead screwdriver, because we're going to open this arm panel here. We need that, and let's see here. So let's get in here for a second. There are two slots right here. They will tab into those tabs that rear building tabbed into to keep the arm in a horizontal position. And this building folds down, and if we had the tower out here, and I might try to fix that here now, it'll act like a gun turret. So this will open. This arm on this very strong ratchet. Oh, my apologies. I gotta unlock this. Gotta unlock the arm. And I don't have the handle installed. There we go. So this arm, rotate. This ratchet is really strong. And then this panel will come back, you close. Yeah. Okay, so a couple of little stumbling blocks. First off, when I re-engineered his arms, the forearm I made the upper arm longer, so it moved the forearm down some. So now I don't have, these tabs don't reach these slots. So I'm going to, and a notification on the product page as well, and contact anybody that's already purchased the model, because I got to figure out, if you want it in battle station mode, I've got to figure out a solution for this to keep this arm up here, as it is a lot of weight. This building, like I said, they clip here, they come out like, trying to do this with one hand is difficult, they come out like that, and it's supposed to be straight. So you got the big turret and where I knocked that off. Like I said, it's when he fell over the other day. These are just glued together inside. So, and another turret. But you see how big his legs get? There's clips that fold out of this leg that hook in there. So one of the other issues, and I'm not going to be able to resolve it, is because he's so much weight here. I actually had to put something under him. So you're going to have put something under him to support him in the back in battle station mode, or else he'll droop there. But you see, here's the rear wheels. And here are the front wheels. There's 4 in each lower leg and 2 in each upper thigh for a total of 6. And then you got your runways. And just farting around with them was enough to hook these, but they hook in 2 slots right there to keep them together. Like I said, his legs get really long. It gives you a rough idea. I gotta deal with that thing with the arms, but this will give you a rough idea of how long that is. I'm sorry I took it off camera. I was just I'm trying to do this quick tonight, and when I ran into that issue with the arms that completely slipped past me when I re-engineered them, I had to do some brainstorming, which I still have to continue doing to come up with a solution for that. Like I said, so the big guns will come out. Give me a second here. So, like, they sag a little bit. The original intent was this panel was to come out and tab here, but because I increased the length of the upper arm, this panel now sits back here, not far enough to tab in on either side. So they come up. The ratchets are strong enough to hold them, but they do sag. And like I said, I had some spills, so I messed that turret up. But they should come out. This comes out a little further. I just didn't clean it up enough. And I broke that off the other day as well. But these buildings, they flip over to look like that. So that's roughly what it looks like right now. So, and again, you're going to have to put something under his ass, because the wheels, when you pop out the wheels, they raise him up. You don't have to pop out the wheels, but I find they give him that G1-ish look. And you could tuck the knee guards up underneath in this transformation if you want to. I just left them out. You can even close these bays, but I left them out to left them open to just show off some guns. And like I said, you could pop the six gun on here and scamper. Sorry, 6 gun and slammer on here in various places too, on all the ports that are on him. But yeah, he's quite long in this mode. This mode was kind of an afterthought for me, but I still wanted to do something that represented his battle station.